Well, today I get to be out in the garage and play with my bike a little bit, and surprisingly, even though it sat for an entire year, actually probably closer to a year and a half, is that it sat for a year and a half, same tank of gas, didn't put any stable in it or nothing. I'm a horrible bike owner. Is that it sat for like a year and a half, and I just came back, and yeah, the thing just fired right up. But the thing I want to do to it is that I want to take the battery off and put it on a tender because it doesn't show it on camera at all, but the lights flicker really bad, like it's not pushing enough voltage, and I've got no idea how old this battery is. So I'm gonna pull it out, put it on a tender, and then test it. It probably needs a new battery at some point because shit, I've owned the damn thing for 3 years and never done a damn thing to it. So I'm gonna do that, and well, shit, let's get to it. So the way it reads in the book is that the first thing you got to do is take off the seat. So I'm missing, part of the rear rest here. I probably want to just take that off and leave it off. I don't know. But you take off the seat, and apparently it just sits directly underneath the seat. So that's the first place I'm going to go here. So on mine, it looks like we've got, I'm just looking around. It doesn't tell you how to take the seat off, but it looks like I've got one, I think 8 mil. Yep, 8 mil bolt on the rear seat here. The other direction. Oh, she's on there. I gotta take off, and hopefully the rear seat is just slotted. I don't have to do anything fancy to take him off. Oh, that was wishful thinking. Oh, wait, there we go. Aha! Okay. The rear seat was just slotted. And it looks like the front seat is just slotted as well. So you take these two off. These look like 10 mils. And then I think the front portion is slotted into a hole just like the back one was slotted onto these. So we're going after that next. Oh, God, these things are on there. So all it is a bolt and a bushing, a little bit of a spacer to accommodate the rear seat. Oh, bastards are on there. Ooh. Well, I don't think you broke it. If I snapped it with a 1/4-inch ratchet here, I'd be rather impressed. But no, it doesn't appear to have any nuts on the backside or anything, which makes this far easier. And then, hey, look at that. Pretty. So, let's take a look. A little bit of a rat's nest going on. So the guy I bought the bike from, he put this aftermarket underglow kit in, and I'm going to be taking that off. Never did like it, so I'm going to be taking that off. And then here's our battery right there. It looks like it's got 1, 2, 3 10mm tie downs. We should be able to pull them right out. I'm going to do a little bit off camera getting this underglow module and some of the wiring out of here because I don't want it. Don't like it. Never wanted it. It goes away. Okay, so I got 99% of the underglow stuff off. It was good that I took it off because a lot of the adhesive failed where it was sitting inside the fenders and stuff like that. So they had it in both fenders, underneath the frame rails, some up along the radiator and stuff like that. A lot of the adhesive was coming off, so it was a good thing I'm taking this off, but this is all I got left of it. And yeah, so 1, 2, 3 10 mils, and I'm going to take that off now along with my battery connections. So there we go. I got all the underglow off. That can go in the garbage. And then, yeah, take off your negative lead first. I just stuffed them under there. Positive, put your bolts back where they came from. That way you don't lose them. And yeah, that was really easy. So yeah, tie down just goes directly across the top. And should be able to slide them right out. Perfect. Let's take them over to the bench. And cute little Duracell Platinum AGM, part number ETX14. Let's get a multimeter on him and see what he's at. So we're gonna throw negative on negative. You're gonna stay in the hole. Fuck, no, you're not gonna stay in the hole. Okay, well, just give me a second here. I'll set you down. So, turn on the multimeter. Negative, negative, positive, positive. And we've got 12.35, 12.4, yeah, 12.2. So, it's probably backwards for you, but no, it seems like a good battery. I'm going to throw it on the tender anyways, because that's what I wanted to do. And now I know everything I need to know about it. So, that is how you take a battery out of a 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan. So, thank you so much for thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully there will be more motorcycle and car content in the future, and I'll hit y'all next time. Bye.